In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Udemy account easily and efficiently. Whether you're a long-standing user or someone new to the platform, these steps will guide you through the process with clarity and ease. Let's get started. First things first, I want you to open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Typing Google into your web browser's address bar or search box should bring up the page you need. Once you're there, we'll be entering a simple search to take us directly to Udemy. In the search bar, type in Udemy and hit enter. You should see a list of search results appear almost instantly. Now let's take a closer look at those results. You'll want to click on the link that says Udemy Courses on Demand, Udemy Team official site. This will take you directly to the Udemy homepage. Once on the homepage, you'll notice a few options at the top of the screen. You're going to want to look for the login button. It usually sits prominently on the upper right-hand corner of your screen, making it easy to spot. By clicking on the login button, you will be taken to a page with various login options. Choose the option that suits you best. Most users prefer to leverage the convenience of existing accounts, so you may want to consider logging in using your Google account, as it offers a seamless connection and saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. After selecting the Google account option, a new window will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Simply input your email and password associated with your Google account. Once you've done that, click Continue to proceed. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll need to select the one you associated with Udemy. Your next step is to click on the Continue button. This action confirms your choice and starts the login process. Just like that, you're logged in, and you'll find yourself on the Udemy homepage, ready to explore all the courses and content waiting for you. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you are now logged into your Udemy account. Feel free to browse through the vast library of courses, dive into that course you've been wanting to try, or simply manage your account settings. I hope this walkthrough has made the login process smoother and more comprehensible for you. Remember, having quick and easy access to your learning resources can make your educational journey more enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.